OpenAI has just launched Sora 2, the latest generation of its video AI model. It can generate realistic and stylized videos from text prompts, handle longer scenes, and deliver more natural motion with highly detailed environments. Sora 2 is currently available only on a limited basis. Access is not public. Activation is possible exclusively through an invite code. Please note that availability is limited, and the code may not always work. Access should be considered conditional and time-restricted. And the code is C85AN9.